In Excel, there's a way that we can protect our current sheet without blocking access to making changes to other sheets. So we see that this particular sheet has a lot of good stuff in it, and I don't necessarily want anybody to mess with it. But we see this other sheet doesn't really have anything interesting in it, so we could allow people to do whatever they want here. So what we can do is we can go to the first sheet in a workbook and click on the File menu and go to where it says Info. Now I'm going to say Protect Workgroup, but I'm just going to protect the current sheet. Now, here it tells me that I can give certain permissions to anybody that I want. So I can choose to protect this using a password. So I'm just going to use the word password just to make it easy. And we're going to leave Protect Worksheet and Contents of Locked Cells. And I'm going to say that you can't make changes to the format, you can't make changes to the rows or to the columns. And then I'll click OK. And I'm going to re-enter the password just to make sure. And now that's done. Now I'm going to close this and I'm going to open it back up again. And we'll see if it works. There we go. So now I'm going to try to make some changes. For instance, I did not protect how high we could make the rows, but I did protect if we could widen out the columns. And you can see the option to change the size of the columns is not there. It literally doesn't exist. Now if I go to File, go back to Info, I can remove that information. Got to make sure I know the password. There we go. And look at that. Now I can make those changes once again. So that's how you can protect your workbook current sheet and give specific rights to people in Microsoft Excel.